Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for April 6th. This week, we talked to the brand marketing team to learn about the new corporate visual identity for Orlando Health.
Hello, I'm Rod James, Senior Director of Brand Marketing for Orlando Health. Earlier this week, Marketing and Communications announced the launch of a new corporate visual identity for the Orlando Health brand. Our new visual identity frames authentic moments that represent the Orlando Health way, creating a unique look all our own. Along with an enhanced color palette, updated type styles, and relatable imagery, the new visual identity is the foundation and inspiration for all Orlando Health communications. It will influence and inspire external campaigns as well as internal initiatives. Ready for bold? Our logos are changing slightly too, to a bolder font for better visibility. And more great news, the Orlando Health brand now has one PowerPoint template. All areas are asked to convert current presentations and build new presentations in this version. New to the presentation template are opening slides. These slides are required for external presentations and have been included in the template. Talking points have also been added to the notes section of these slides to ensure consistent messaging. The rollout of new products start this month, and we can't do it without you. Here's how you can help. Read through the frequently asked questions document included in the email earlier this week. Watch for ongoing communication. Visit the new visual ID page of the Marketing and Communication SharePoint site on Swift for updates. Attend a new visual identity or new PowerPoint virtual overview session, and please be patient. The team is working to rebrand more than 500 assets, each representing multiple components. We appreciate your understanding and support. Still have a question? Email r-brandreview@orlandohealth.com. And remember, branding is everyone's responsibility. Thank you for delivering the brand promise every day.
And Orlando Health is celebrating our team members during National Nurses and Healthcare Week in May. As part of the fun, we want to feature you in a video that will be shown here on this show. All team members are encouraged to send in a video from work or home to be part of our corporate music video to the song Levitating by the artist Dua Lipa. This includes a 5-second video clip or a photo of you holding up a sign representing why our team at Orlando Health is great, or dancing and having fun with your coworkers. Email your photo or department video clip to our Healthcare Week by Wednesday, April 27th, and check Swift for all the details. And we talked to Andy Gardner, Senior Vice President of External Affairs and Community Relations. Hey Andy, how's it going?
Good, very nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, glad to have you on the show. Here you have some important stuff to tell us.
Well, in the next week or so, we'll be rolling out kind of a new program where we start tracking and improving and looking at everybody's presentations throughout the country. And we want to do this through our community benefit team because it's important that we track and understand the number of hours and the organizations that they're involved in for reporting purposes, and also to be able to help team members as they prepare to go out and talk.
Okay, who are the team members that this might affect?
Really anybody in the organization that somebody reaches out and asks them to come and speak on behalf of Orlando Health. We want them to report and number one, get approval to do it through their SVP, but then also contact Community Benefit at r-communitybenefit@orlandohealth.com, and that will allow us to help them prepare for their presentation. The marketing team has put together a slide deck which team members can use with opening slides and then ending slides, and then they can fill in the middle. But it's really important that we understand all of the different things that we're doing in the community.
That sounds amazing. Well, thank you so much
really
for sharing
excited about
with
it.
us.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. We'll see you next time around
All
the
right.
show.
Good to see you.
And from fresh lettuce to locally grown tomatoes, team members will now be able to conveniently peruse farmers markets at all Orlando Health hospitals.
Well, it's part of a Best Place to Work initiative. We really wanted to bring the farmers markets back. They had them prior to COVID. They've been down a couple of years, but now we want to bring them back because they bring great value to our team members. The farmers markets will be at all the hospitals across the Orlando Health system. Our goal is for at least twice a year for all the hospitals to have the farmers markets come to the locations. We're hoping to do more than that, but at least twice a year. One of the new features we're going to have at the farmers market this year is our farmers box, and these are going to be from the villages grown, and they're going to come down. You'll be able to purchase them at the farmers markets, and they have a variety of items on them. They'll always have greens, tomatoes. These microgreens, these broccoli microgreens are really good. They have arugula, cilantro, fresh herbs, obviously the heirloom tomatoes, and one of the things I really like is this kombucha. And they're from Farm Boy Produce, which is right here in Orlando, Florida. These will be available for pickup at the farmers market, but you can also sign up for a monthly subscription to where they can actually be delivered to your home. So we're really excited about being able to offer this. And there'll be more information at the farmers markets when you go there.
Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.